back to the channel. I am feeling considerably more upbeat than the last spooky box club unboxing that we did, so that is a great start. And the one that we have here today is Basic Witches, which I'm excited for because I feel like whenever it comes to witchy themes, Spooky Box Club usually does pretty well. So I am super excited to open this. This box does feel very light, but I've been fooled by a light box before. I've judged a light box unfairly before opening it and it ended up being awesome, so let's just see how this goes. We're just gonna dive right in. We're gonna open it right up. Ta-da! Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm going to pop this little thing aside and the business card. Oh, cute! Okay! Okay, there are some cute things in there already. I don't know how many things are in there, but the things I've seen so far are cute! Okay, so first of all, we get the wee lollipop out of the way, and it's this guy here. It's like a sort of pink and red and white swirly boy. A little bit of a Valentine's vibe going on. I know we're nowhere near Valentine's Day, but that's the vibe I get, okay? Alright, I'll grab the first thing that I saw and show you. Yes! So this is a cute little travel cup and it says Thirsty Witch on it. I never tend to actually bring these like out places, like I know they're travel cups, but I tend to just use them in the house most of the time. But this is super, super cute. The font is cute. The little moon is cute. I love that it says Thirsty Witch. And I just like love cute, practical, like lifestyle things, you know, like just sitting sipping on my little drink. So I am very happy with that. And the next thing delights me. It's so cute and just so like random, but I love it. Look at this. It's one of these. Okay. I don't know what outfit I'm gonna wear this with, but bitch, you know I'm gonna wear it with something. It's like one of these cute little like ribbons and it says witch and it has a cute little moon, lots of little twinkly stars. Can I just like throw this on here really quickly? Okay. Ooh, alright. Ooh, okay. So there's a cool little patch here and it's like this hand with like a frilly ruffly cuff and it's holding like a little sash or a ribbon that says as above so below. And it looks like the hand has a tiny little heart tattoo and it has a golden ring. So the sash is like red and then the writing is gold as well. And that is really cool. I don't know what I'd want to put that on, but it's definitely like a very interesting patch for sure. Reminds me of some sort of art style, but I'm not sure what I'm thinking of. But that is interesting. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, there's a little box here. Ooh. Oh, so this is like a whole little set of moon earrings. So each one of these is individual. And it's just these cute little like silvery moon phase earrings. And that's really cool because I mean either you can like match these to like, you know, suit the moon phase, or if you happen to have enough like spaces, like a lot of ear piercings, you can have like the phases of the moon going up. So that is pretty cool. It's definitely an interesting little idea. I still wear my cute little like the little tiny dainty bat that we got. Well, bats, but I have like one hole that I wear them in. I still wear those all the time. I love them. And then you've probably seen these bone ones. These were also from a Spooky Box Club. These remain like, oh my god, just my favorite thing ever. I love these bone earrings. I wear them constantly now, so very happy about that. And now we have more cute little earrings. Ooh, okay, getting down to some of the last stuff. Ooh, we have a very pretty necklace. Ooh, so this is like a cool little sort of like, you know, diamond shaped charm with what looks like some sort of like opal in the middle, and I've always loved opals. I think they're just so pretty. And that is gorgeous, and I feel like that would really pop against like a black outfit, you know, with the silver and then the sort of like pale colored gem in the middle. So that's really pretty. Ooh, okay, and then I think this is the last thing. Oh no, this is like the last thing, and then there's an art print. So this is Celestial Moon and Stars Witchy Hair Adornments. I've been wanting things like this, but like I see like little hair slides and stuff online and I watch them like, you know, my watch list, and I never buy them. So now I actually have some and that makes me really happy. So I love especially this like really like thin sort of moon, and then there's also some little star slides. Those are gorgeous. I'll need to figure out how to wear those in my hair because they're very, very pretty. Oh, and then finally we have this little art print of like a cool witchy tattooed hand with pretty rings. And it says, know your power up here at the top. It's gonna be hard with the exposure of my camera. There we go. Yeah, it says know your power. And I think that is really cool. Very simplistic and stuff. Gorgeous. Oh, all right. Let's make sure we got everything. I feel like there wasn't like a bunch of individual stuff in this box, but I really have enjoyed the theme and I like the things that we did get. Okay, custom made Thirsty Witch travel cup, yes. Custom made moonstone necklace, okay, moonstone necklace, yes. Witchy moon and star hair adornments, yes. Know Your Power witchy art print, yes. Custom made witch black ribbon pin, oh yeah, yes. I was like, what was the other thing I really enjoyed? It was this. Custom made as above so below embroidered patch, Custom made stainless steel moon phase studs, yes. And lollipop, yes. So that is everything. I really enjoyed this. Definitely I feel like the, you know, this cool thing and the cup are my favorites. I feel like they match my look today. Is it just me? Oh, so I enjoyed that. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We have lots more videos for you to check out. If you're not new here, or if you are as well and you've just subscribed, do hit the little notification bell, please, because YouTube has not been telling you guys about a whole bunch of my videos, especially if it's anything that is not a haul or unboxing. YouTube has a tendency just not to tell anyone it's out, and then those videos get like no views, and it's very disheartening. So do hit that notification bell if you want to see other types of videos as well. And do leave me a little comment, let me know what you thought. If you wouldn't mind, give the video a thumbs up so I know you liked it. I'd really enjoy that. And finally, if you could check out my Patreon before you go, that would be amazing. Patreon is a website that lets you tip your favorite creators for the content that they make for you. It is optional, but it's a great way to say thank you, and it's just a great way to make sure that these videos keep coming out to you guys. So the link for that is in the description. I have been talking too much. I am losing function in my tongue. But yeah, if you check that out, I would love you forever. And everyone who already does support me on there, you guys know you're my favorite people. I'm delirious at this point. So I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, bell, all the rest. I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.